Hello, Justin with Lucky8 Off-Road, and I am really wound up tight today because I'm going to show you how to install our secret, awesome, super deluxe James Bond hidden back. I really don't have a good name for them, but they're the rear of the Defender storage boxes. They fit right where this gloss black piece of plastic is, and you can open them up, you can lock them, you can hide things in here. I leave my gloves and my air down kit inside it, but almost big enough to put a couple of margaritas. All right, guys, we're gonna roll the intro and then I'm gonna show you how to install them. Okay, there's a couple ways to go about it. You can pry on the outside and pop the little clips to release the plastic piece. But since I've done a few of these now, I like to get in here with our trim tool. Everybody's got a trim tool. Get underneath it and start to free it up that way. Now we can go to the outside, break it free. It's just held in the little clips I'll show you in a second. Just some simple little pop clips and they hop into these holes, which we're gonna reuse to mount the box. Now that this is out of the way, I'm gonna go pop the other one off real quick and then I'll show you how to put the base plate in. In the kit, you're gonna get 2 of these metal back plates. Well, unless you're only doing the passenger side, right-hand side, you've got one of our ladders. Thank you very much. So this base plate fits like so. There's rivets in the kit, throw them out. I don't want to use the rivets. We've upgraded the kit to riv nuts. They fit perfectly inside the hole of the vehicle. The rivets were a little bit loose and the early adopters were having trouble getting them to stick. So thank you to everybody that gave those rivets a go and told us to put them in the bin. So all the new kits will have the rivets because that's where the keys are, but they're also gonna have these rib nuts. All right, stop talking about that, show you how to put it on. It simply aligns just like that. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points of attachment. Crazy, it's not coming off. So I'm gonna go ahead, get my rib nut tool and put all of these in. Then we will screw the base plate to the vehicle with the bolts, and then we're gonna put the box to it. It's actually really easy. I'd be done if I wasn't yapping. For everybody, it is a 5mm riv nut tool adapter that you will need, 5 by 0.08. 1, 2, 3, 4. I better put the backing plate up there. 5 and 6, I believe. There you go, simple as that. I'm gonna bounce and get all this done and we'll bring the camera in to show you all of them in place. Okay, here you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now we're gonna install the base plate, like so, with the hardware. 5mm bolts. If for some reason your bodywork got dimpled or whatever in process, you can easily just round out any of those holes. I haven't had it happen yet, but given the way the world is, I'm sure somebody will struggle. Okay, just like that, I'm gonna put all of them in. We'll take another quick look and the job's almost done. Now that we have the base plate in, we're gonna put the, you be quiet. We're gonna put the box in. In order to do that, you gotta open the door on this side. Kind of sneak it back in there. And I'll bring it in here. The plastic piece, it's got a little bit of foam on it, slides behind the glass like so. You're gonna want that in there. Perfect. Right here is what I was talking about. You want that to sneak behind the glass. In the package with the keys and the rivets, you're gonna get some of these Allens. It's a number 3, and you can see in the background kind of where they go. Just put them all in, leave them loose until you have all of them started, then tighten it down. That's pretty much it, nothing else exciting. The little keys here, you can lock them up. On this side, if you open the door, it will clear, but the little rubber seal on the inside is gonna rub against it. Doesn't stop or hurt anything. And with that, folks, I'm gonna take this outside for some beauty shots, and I'll see you on the next one.